Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will start by validating the network basics and getting tools ready. First, set or confirm a static IP or DHCP reservation on your Xbox so DNS changes stick. Next, read and note the primary and secondary DNS addresses currently in the console network settings. While you're on the router or a PC, open an ENS-lookup or similar tool on a computer or phone. This lets you test name resolution live. Once done, proceed to changing DNS and testing behavior. Now you'll perform targeted tests and apply a trusted DNS to isolate the problem. Use ENS-lookup to query known Xbox Live hostnames and document any NX domain or timeouts. That proves DNS is the issue. Next, change the Xbox network DNS to Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 or Google 8.8.8.8 and save. After changing, flush the router DNS cache and reboot the Xbox or use the network settings to clear cache. Then rerun the same queries to confirm name. Finish by deciding whether the fix belongs on the console or the network. If public DNS restored name resolution, remove any router DNS overrides, parental filters, or firewall rules that intercepted DNS. If problems persist, enable DNS forwarding on the router to a reliable resolver or set the router's DNS to the working public resolver so all devices benefit. If you still see failures, capture packet logs or try the Xbox on a phone hotspot to determine if the ISP is blocking or altering DNS. This single test isolates the last variable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.